In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the maximum value in Google Sheets. Let's say you have a list of numbers in your spreadsheet and you want to quickly find out which number is the largest. Instead of scanning through the list with your eyes and possibly making a mistake, Google Sheets can calculate that maximum value for you automatically with just a few clicks. First, start by highlighting the numbers you want to check. Click on the first cell that contains a number in your list. Then hold and drag your mouse down or across to select all the cells that you want included. You'll see the cells become shaded, which lets you know they're selected. Be sure you only highlight the range you care about, because Google Sheets will look for the maximum value within exactly what you've selected. Once your numbers are highlighted, move your attention to the function icon on the right side of the toolbar. This icon usually looks like the Greek letter sigma, which is often used to represent functions like sum, average, and more. Click on that function icon. A small menu will open, showing you several common functions. From there, you can choose the option that calculates the maximum value. Depending on your version or language settings, this is typically labeled as max. When you click it, Google Sheets will automatically create a formula based on the range you highlighted. You'll now see a formula appear, usually something like max, with your selected range inside the parentheses. This formula tells Google Sheets to look at all the highlighted cells and return the largest number. After the formula is in place, simply press Enter on your keyboard. As soon as you press Enter, the cell where you place the formula will display the maximum value from your selected range. That's the highest number among all the cells you highlighted. If you ever need to change the numbers later, you don't have to repeat these steps. Just update any of the values in the range, and the result of the max function will update automatically. This makes it a very efficient way to keep track of the largest value in a changing list, whether you're working with grades, sales figures, or any kind of numerical data.